Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Motorola. Firstly, you need to install your new defaults. I will go with Opera Mini browser. When you're ready, click on Home button and go into Settings right away. Then you need to choose Apps over here under Connected Devices. Scroll down and choose Default Apps. Now click on one of those sections. For example, I wish to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, select Opera Mini, and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!